Hey, this is Eric from Hanyak Honeybees, and today I am out cleaning up our plastic foundation in our frames, and we are on day 3 of rain. It's amazing, and it is only 72 degrees outside. So while it's comfortable, I haven't been able to get into the boxes near as often as I'd like right now, so we're making use of our time. So what I got set up here is a power washer idea, and I got my frames laid out and I've got them pre-soaked, and I'm getting ready to start power washing them, and I'll show you what they look like here shortly. Thought I'd show you what they were looking like before. This is still the bottom side. We got a lot of cocoons and stuff stuck down in here, and a lot of pollen. And then once we power wash them, they're almost good as new. There's just a little bit of cocoons and stuff in there, but nothing like there was. And here's another one that's kind of pre-soaked. When I say pre-soaked, it's just water. We're just putting water on it. But I think what we were having trouble with a little bit this year, we had frames that we had scraped the wax off of, and we're doing other things, and we installed them into the box, and the bees kept drawing out wax, but they were refilling everything. Once there's pollen there, they weren't really using it, so they kept storing pollen in a lot of locations that we didn't want. So we decided to look something up. We saw something here on the internet, and we don't have the water very hot. It's lukewarm at best. So there's still, you can still see there's wax here, still wax down the sides. It's not blowing the wax off at all. So worst case scenario, we got a bunch of wax that we've melted down this year, and we can reapply if we have to. My guess is it's going to be just fine. It still feels waxy. Water's still beating on it. So, but anyway, thought I would show you what we're up to today. So, thanks for watching Hanyak Honeybees. Hanyak.